Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a piece of electronic equipment that you find useful. You should say what it is, how you learn to use it, and explain why you find this piece of electronic equipment useful.
Sure, I can describe a piece of electronic equipment that I find useful. One piece of electronic equipment that I find really helpful is my smartphone. A smartphone is a type of mobile device that can be used for making phone calls, sending text messages, browsing the internet, taking photos and videos, and using a variety of apps. I first learned to use a smartphone when I got my first one as a gift from my parents. At first, I was a bit intimidated by all the features and apps, but I quickly learned how to use it by exploring the different menus and settings, and by asking my friends for tips and advice. I find my smartphone really useful for a number of reasons. For one thing, it allows me to stay connected with my friends and family, no matter where I am or what I'm doing. I can make phone calls, send text messages, or even video chat with them, which is especially helpful when I'm away from home or traveling. In addition to the communication features, my smartphone is also really helpful for staying organized and productive. I can use it to set reminders, make to-do lists, and keep track of my schedule, which helps me stay on top of my work and responsibilities. Plus, it's also really convenient for entertainment, like listening to music or watching videos, which is great for passing the time during long commutes or waiting in line. Overall, I find my smartphone to be an indispensable tool in my daily life, and I don't know what I would do without it. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.